Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on email notifications in the new Outlook using the latest updated interface. The same screen you are seeing right now. Let's get started. Open the new Outlook. In the top right corner, click the setting icon. On the left side, select General and then click Notifications. You will see the exact screen shown in this video. At the top, make sure the notification in Outlook is turned on. Then under Notify Me About, turn on Mail notification, turn on Calendar notification, and turn on Documents notifications. And then click Save. If notifications still don't appear at the top of the notification screen, Outlook also shows helpful links. If you are still not getting alerts, make sure to check these Windows settings. First, click on Windows notification settings. Make sure notification is turned on and make sure notification are on for Outlook. Then click on Windows Focus settings. And make sure Focus Assistant is turned off. If set to priority only or alarms only, Outlook notification will not show. Then click on Battery Saver and make sure Battery Saver is turned off to receive notification. Close Outlook completely, open it again, send yourself a test email to confirm notification appear. That's it, you have successfully enabled email notification, calendar reminders and documents alerts in the new Outlook. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with others. Thanks for watching.